Hi Diana, it's Lizzie here. Oh, since from that day, this shop, it's like, I don't know, we going there. We connected thanks to you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hallo Diana, ek hoop dit gaan baie goed met jou. Ek wil net sê jy het ons lewens verander. Ons almal is so. Ek zweer ons almal slaap op dieselfde bed. Ons is 'n baie goeie team. Ons kom so goed oor die weg en ons verstaan mekaar soveel beter en ons werk baie lekker saam. En daai very good. Yay! Het baie goed gewerk. Ons doen dit letterlik elke liewe dag. Jy het vir ons 'n heeltemal nuwe perspektief oor alles gegee. En ons waardeer jou input so baie en ons mis jou ook baie. Hier is Grace. Bye.
Hi Diana, I'm Grace here. Yo, after we met you, we are now connected and we're working as a team. Thanks to you because you teach us something. You teach us to forgive ourselves. You teach us to be like family and we are family. And thanks to our boss as well because she is making sure we are fine.
Hi, Diana. I hope you're well. Wow, you have taught us so much, and we have grown as a family. The unity is there, the love is there. We are happy. We are happy. We are strong. We are working together. Thank you so much. We love you.
Hi, Diana. That's Felicia speaking. After we met with you, all it's well and it's wow, and everything it's going perfect, and we are so happy as a family, united, love, unity. We thank you.
Hi Diana, daar's definitief 'n groot verskil en ja, ek moet sê die gees is baie goed en ja, van daai dag af is dinge net baie beter.
Very good, very good.